The trial of two men charged in a 2018 fatal shooting at an alleged Columbus trap house where drugs were sold is underway in Judge Gil McBride's courtroom. Curtis Baby C. Williams III and Jeffrey Red Flakes Jr. are accused of gunning down Stanford Duane Jones on August 10, 2018, before ransacking his home on Mellon Street in Columbus, Georgia, to take cash and drugs, authorities said.
What was 427 Mellon Street? It's a house in which Mr. Jones sold drugs. We talked about that. Mr. Jones was a drug dealer. These two men knew it, and they knew him. Mr. Jones was more than that. He was a father, loved his children. He was a husband, loved his wife. He was a neighbor. He was a friend.
Anthony said police found that Jones had set up surveillance cameras. She told jurors the recording showed Williams go into Jones's home before Flakes arrived at the door minutes later, donning surgical gloves and pulling out a pistol. Then Williams, holding a gun, opened the door for Flakes and both went in, she said.
Surveillance equipment was disconnected. The house was ransacked. They didn't take the DVR, and that's why we have this surveillance.
Michael Garner, defense attorney for Flakes, questioned the quality of the recovered surveillance video.
There's a lot of darkness. You can't tell who's in the video. You can hardly tell anything about them in general. You can see kind of the size of the person. You can't tell much about the way they walk. Can't tell much about their hair. Certainly can't tell, what color eyes they have or what kind of clothes they have.
Anthony Johnson, who represents Williams, declined to give an opening statement, but in questioning witnesses reinforced the point that outsiders frequently visited the Mellon Street apartment and Jones's home next door. Both Williams, 37, and Flakes, 33, were indicted in November 2020 on allegations of malice or intentional murder, felony murder for killing Jones while committing the felony of aggravated assault, and armed robbery for using firearms to take drugs and money. Go to Ledger-Enquirer.com for more reporting on the trial.